Hello guys, what is up? KJ's here and I'm back with a new video. So in this video, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing, and it's called Liquid Activated Blinking Glass. So it's very nice. So there's a description here. Blinking lights activate when you add liquid and disappear when liquid is removed. I think I can imagine that. So anyways, so basically what it does is you can add any liquid, Coca-Cola, water, anything. Water. So you add it to the glass and the special sensor light thing. So so when the water is in the glass, it activates the light. Okay, so I mean it wasn't really expensive when we bought this, and we actually got this from a very small shop. I think you can get it anywhere in Abu Dhabi. So yeah, without talking too much, let's get right into it. So this is a pretty weak box, so I can just open it like that. Okay, the glass is in a plastic bag. Move the inside. Whoa. Yeah, it looks more like plastic. Yeah, this is plastic. So anyways, let's start. Oh, wait. If you put water right here, it makes lights. I'll need to turn off the lights right here. Okay, it's there still might be a little bit of light, but at least it's darker now. So gently, I'll put the water. Moment of truth. Oh yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Party lights. So this is really awesome. Look at this. Look at these beautiful lights. Multicolored lights. Oh! Oh my God! This is actually wow, that's nice. Okay, so now that you guys have seen how bright this light is, let's see. So I've actually refilled this cup with drinking water. So let's see how it's like. I have to close my eyes. Oh my God, so that's it. So if you just if you just put the cup upwards enough, the lights just go away, see? So I'll explain it to you all after I drink this. Okay, so I can understand by how this works. I can understand there's a little sensor at the bottom right there. Right there. You can see that there's a tiny circle. So I'm guessing that must be the sensor. So I understand since the weight of the water, because of the weight of the water, the upper part gets pushed down to the lower part, and then it connects to the circuit, making it complete. So then the lights turn on. And as you can see, if you can see right at the bottom right here, there's a little circle right there. That might be the circle. Right there. Can you see this blue thing? Right there. That might be the circuit. So this upper part connects to the lower part, making the circuit complete, and boom, that's the magic. So anyways guys, that's all. Yeah, I guess that's all I have about this liquid activated blinking glass. So thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and share all of our videos to other people. So and make sure to hit the bell so you can get latest notifications about us. As always, peace out.